Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to be doing a trade recap to give you guys a little breakdown of how my strategy works, and then after a live example towards the end. So first, to give a little example of how my strategy works, I try to look for sell side and I target buy side through like conversions. So right here we can see there was a sell side that got taken with buy side towards the top. And what I try to look for is right on the break of sell side, I try to look for inversion gaps. So once the trade starts coming back into our zone, I try to look for an inversion gap that shows a strong momentum past the sell side to try to target back to buy side. So let's get into it over here on a live example. We can see that on the higher time frame, we are overall very bullish. Reason for that is because we have a fair value gap that got taken right here. Very nice little tap in. Not only that, on the higher time frame, on the 1 day on NAS, we can see that we're trying to target this overall buy side right here because we just came off a sell side. So that's our overall target. So overall on the 1 day, we are very bullish. Come down to the 4 hour, we can see the same thing. We took out sell side right down here, and we're trying to target this buy side. All right, so let's give a little live example over here. So we can see that right now we're kind of consolidating, we're coming down. Right here, let's go a bit forward. We see a strong drop right at New York Open. So one thing we can see over here is we're taking sell side. So this is already a nice indication that we might want to target this overall buy on the top. So what we're going to do now is we're just going to wait it out to see if we can have possibly a break, which we have right here. So this would be a inversion. And now we're going to go on the 1 minute to see if we have extra little confirmation, which we do have right here. I would take a buy. I'd put my stop loss right below the lows, just in case the stock might come down into these inversions to retest. I don't want to put my stop loss too close because I might get swept. And I would target overall buys. I would use a standard deviation from the lows to my gap right here, which gives me a standard deviation of -2 right towards the buy side, which is A1 setup. So here I'll take an entry, put the stop loss right below here, take profit right at the -2, and we play it out. Let's see how this works. So right now, once we hit this -1, you don't have to, but my preferred method, I always go to break even. But since we do have a very strong push past this -1, I would hold this for much longer. Let's see how this works out. And take profit was hit right at the -2, and we even tapped into the buy side. So this is an A1 setup, works every single time. Always sweep a liquidity, come down, hits everyone's stop loss, inverts the inversion gap right before the break, pushes all the way up. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, drop a comment, hit the like button, subscribe. Very much appreciate if you do. And let me know in the comments if you want to see any more videos like this, maybe more recaps. I don't mind. Maybe we can do some live trades if you guys are interested. Hope you enjoyed the video.